Binance versus Bybit, which crypto exchange wins? Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and manage your assets without unnecessary fees or complex interfaces. Both Binance and Bybit offer unique features for different trader needs. Binance and Bybit are two leading crypto exchanges with global reach. Binance is known for its vast asset variety and advanced tools, while Bybit focuses on derivatives and leverage trading. The core difference lies in their product focus and user experience. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, offering a comprehensive platform for spot trading, futures, staking, and DeFi services. It supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies and provides a highly liquid market. Binance operates through a user-friendly interface complemented by advanced trading tools like charts, order types, and APIs for automated trading. Its security measures include SARP fund protection and two-factor authentication. However, Binance can be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features and complex fee structure, which varies depending on trading volume and whether users hold Binance Coin, BNB. Ideal users are traders and investors seeking a diverse asset range, multiple trading options, and access to additional services like crypto loans and savings. According to Binance's official site, it suits those who want a one-stop platform for comprehensive crypto management with global reach and deep liquidity. Bybit is a crypto derivatives exchange specializing in perpetual contracts and futures with high leverage options up to 100x. It emphasizes fast execution speeds, a clean and intuitive interface, and strong customer support. Bybit offers spot trading but is best known for its derivatives market, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major altcoins. The platform features risk management tools such as isolated margin and cross-margin modes and an insurance fund to protect traders. Bybit's fee structure is straightforward, with competitive maker and taker fees appealing to active traders focused on leveraged positions. However, it offers fewer cryptocurrencies than Binance and limited DeFi services. According to Bybit's official resources, it's ideal for experienced traders who prioritize leverage, derivatives trading, and quick trade execution without the complexity of a full-service exchange. Binance and Bybit cater to different trading styles. Binance excels in spot trading with a vast asset selection and additional services like staking and savings, making it suitable for long-term investors and diverse portfolio managers. Bybit shines in derivatives trading, offering high leverage and fast order execution for active traders focused on short-term gains. Binance's complexity can be a hurdle for beginners, while Bybit's streamlined interface supports efficient leverage trading but limits asset variety. Fee structures also differ. Binance's tiered fees reward high-volume traders and BNB holders, whereas Bybit offers simple, competitive fees ideal for derivatives users. Traders seeking a full ecosystem with multiple crypto services may prefer Binance, while those prioritizing margin trading and leverage will find Bybit better suited to their needs. Binance is recommended for traders wanting a comprehensive platform with diverse assets, advanced tools, and additional crypto financial services. Bybit is ideal for experienced traders focused on leveraged derivatives trading and fast execution. Choosing between Binance and Bybit depends on your trading style and goals: diversity and ecosystem versus leverage and simplicity. Make your choice based on what fits your crypto strategy best.